Ready to ignite your fitness journey? Let's dive into a 15-minute workout designed to torch calories and make you feel the burn. This isn't just any workout, it's a challenge that will push your limits and transform your body. We're starting with high knees. Stand tall, engage your core, and drive your knees up towards your chest as fast as you can. Keep your arms pumping to maintain momentum. Aim for 30 seconds. This exercise gets your heart rate up and warms up your entire body. Next up, we have push-ups. Get into a plank position, hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, then push back up. If you need to modify, drop to your knees. Let's do this for 30 seconds. Push-ups build upper body strength and engage your core. Now, let's hit the ground for mountain climbers. In a plank position, drive your knees towards your chest one at a time, as if you're running in place. Keep your core tight and maintain a steady pace for 30 seconds. This move is fantastic for your cardio and core stability. Time for squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Rise back up and repeat for 30 seconds. Squats are essential for building leg strength and improving your overall stability. Now let's switch it up with burpees. Start standing, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and explode up into a jump. It's a full body workout that will really get your heart racing. Let's go for 30 seconds. Next, we'll do lunges. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Push back to the starting position and switch legs. Alternate for 30 seconds. Lunges are great for targeting your glutes and quads. Finally, let's finish strong with a plank hold. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold for 30 seconds. This is a killer core workout that will challenge your endurance. You've just completed a powerful 15-minute workout. Remember, consistency is key. Each of these exercises builds strength, endurance, and helps you torch those calories. If you've learned something today, subscribe and share this with your friends. Your fitness journey is just beginning, and every step counts.